So today we will talk about how to configure Git bash. Yes, Git bash that will run through VS Code in our Windows system. This is Windows 10. So I will show you how to do this. So first of all, I have opened this, as you can see. Then we go to setting.json, and how do we go there? You will press terminal. You can press various things, but I don't see where is the setting. So we go the point is that we can configure our from here. So we will configure our terminal. When you type this will appear. So this is JSON JSON file, but simplified. So we will see the actual file. We will click here and we will see actual file. So here is the actual file, and here we will configure. If you are opening this first time and you are not much familiar with these things, then you will see only this and this is made by myself. So we will come to this later on line 15. Let us configure. So to configure bash, we will use this code. This is the code to configure bash. You can see it. So essentially git bash, which is name here, which we will use later here to open this default. But you don't need to code this. You can also do this from here. From here, select default profile. So that is not important. The important thing is here, git/bash.exe bash.exe. If you do this is fake code because I have written path 2. So this is fake and this is original, and this is my location bash.exe. Bash.exe will open terminal within the VS Code. But if you use this code bash-bash.exe, this will open in a separate terminal. So I have used this one. Arguments is nothing, and source 2. This is also fake code. Fake code. I mean, this should be source. If we have our terminal added in window path, I hope you get the meaning. So the terminal is added, and in window path we use source. If we don't have source, then we don't use code. As I am not using this code, this is only to explain. That's why I have written 2 here. In every code I have written 2, which is actually fake code, just for a reference. So let's see. This is path. This will actual code. This is actual code, and this is for the icon only. So this is the whole code that we will use to configure our terminal, and it is very simple. And this is don't worry, don't change these things. You will see these things. So these are not any useful for our use. So let's see how I have configured. So you can see, if you click here, you can go for bash. So this is bash terminal within VS Code. If I change to this, let me show you. But for that you have to need to restart. Sorry. So that is quite bit long. So this configured, and then you close it, and then you again open it. So I have opened it again, and now if I open the bash, as you see, the bash is open. I don't think it will work. It is working, I guess. So if I open fresh, because these two are old commands, and if I open new, then a terminal will be open. So see, terminal is opening. But if you want to revert back to the previous setting, this is my previous setting. Again, you need to restart your VS Code. Don't forget these things. These are the slightly things which makes your learning hell. So now if I open new terminal, it will be within the VS Code. So this is the terminal within the VS Code. This is Ming64G4. You know, this is Git bash. So I have opened it, and now you see what I want to show you is that. So I have done with my coding. So you can code here and see yourself. So thank you very much. As far as if you want these code, then you can simply search this. You will get all this code. Thank you.